Question number 13. Prove that opposite side of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. That means what you are going to prove is, see, opposite side of a quadrilateral forming two angles with the center of a circle. When you add these two opposite angles, it will give you supplementary angle, that is 180 degree. Like the same way, these two angles when you add, it will give you 180 degree. That only we are going to prove. So what is given? O is center of circle. ABCD is quadrilateral. Given to you. To prove, that is opposite angles sum equal to 180. That means angle DOC plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree, supplementary angle. First part. And the second proof, the same way, this one, angle AOD plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. These two parts I have to prove. So prove. For that, I have to join OP like OQ, OR and OS also. Right here. That you should mention, okay? Join OP, OQ, OR and OS. I have joined. Then take these two triangles. Show the congruence. Take triangle OPB and triangle OQB. Take these two triangles. See, in these two triangles, OP equal to what? OQ. Because radii of same circle are equal. OP equal to OQ. Radii of same circle. Circle are equal. Then PB equal to BQ. Why? B is external point. Therefore, the length of the tangent from an external point to a circle are equal. So we can write it PB equal to BQ by theorem 10.2. You have to write the statement there. Then OB is common in both the triangles. So OB equal to OB, common side. From these three statements, I can tell that by triple S both the triangles are congruent. By triple S. Once these two triangles are congruent, the remaining sides as well as remaining angles are equal by CP, CT. So see, this angle will be equal to this angle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CP, CT. Corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 equal to angle 2. Then similarly we can write it. These all angles are equal. See, angle 3 equal to angle 4. We can write it similarly. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Like angle 5 equal to angle 6. Like angle 7 is equal to angle 8 I can write. Why I have proved this one, I am going to tell you now. See, I want to prove that this opposite angle sum equals to 180 degree. Only I need angle 1, angle 8, angle 4, angle 5. So how I am going to do? Here, sum of all angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 equal to 360 degree. Equal to what? 360 degree. Why? sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. 360 degree. Write it here. Sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. That's why. You know that just now only we have proved 1 equal to 2. Similarly, 3 equal to 4, 5 equal to 6 and 7 equal to 8 we have already proved. So we can write it angle 1 equal to angle 2. I need here angle 1 only. So we can write 2 times of angle 1. Like 3 equal to 4. Therefore we can write it angle 4 I need. So 2 times of angle 4. Angle 5 equal to angle 6. Therefore I can write it 2 times of angle 5. Because I need here angle 5 only. That's why. 7 equal to 8 angle. Therefore I can write it 2 times of angle 8, because see, I already told the opposite angle sum equal to 180 degree. Here first proof I am taking AOB plus angle COD equal to 180 degree I am going to prove. So I need 1, 8, 4 and 5 angles. That's why I have changed this one like this, equal to 360 degree. 2 is common everywhere, so take it out. Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 equal to 360 degree. Multiplied by 2 come this side, divided by 2, that is 180 degree. Angle 1 plus 8 is called angle AOB. Like 5 and 4 is called angle COD equal to 180 degree. Fast to prove. Okay. So next one, no need to prove it as like this. Just we can write it simply. Similarly, angle AOD plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. This is here second proof part. This is here first proof.